Where is everyone going? Despite the recent housing market data, which shows low inventory and higher interest rates, people are still moving. Hi, I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. According to a recent report from Gravy Analytics, plenty of people are still moving, and this is what they are looking for in their move. Cities with lower housing costs. People are moving to more affordable areas, and this may mean relocating to another state or region they want to have where they feel is in vacation. We have all heard the expression live where you play, and that is what people are looking for. Whether you want to hike in the mountains or live near a beach or countryside, people are moving to areas that were once thought as vacation spots. It seems that remote work makes things easier for them, and they are taking advantage of this. Yep, current data shows more remote workers are moving to more affordable areas and not worrying about commute and how far they are from their office. Bottom line, lots of people are still moving today despite current challenges. If you want help navigating your next move, reach out to me and I can help you find your ideal home and location. I'm Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty.